Go. Hello, YouTubers. Remember the rock crawler I just did? Well, my girlfriend's doing hers. Hers is blue. Too close. That's the controller. That one you might have to rip along the side because of the where the knob sticks out. See, mine didn't open up like that. Mine opened up from the bottom. And that's the instructions on your rechargeable battery.
I think I know how to do instructions. Gimme. Oh my man.
And there's the charger and a battery pack. And there's the car. And you can see, like, you squeeze the tires. Squeezy. It's, there's no foam inserts. They're really grippy. It's got real articulation to it. So what do you think about it?
I like it.
Do you?
Yeah. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll try it when it's warm out.
Yeah, we'll try them both. We'll get them going. They're not that fast, so we can ride right alongside of each other. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. And there will be more videos coming. Y'all have a good day.